Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can get Binance Pay ID from Binance App. So first up here, you just need to open your Binance app on your Android or iOS device. Make sure to log in with your account. And then here, tap on the icon at the top right-hand corner of your screen beside the bell icon. So once you tap on that, as you can see here, at the bottom of the pay word, you will find the Binance ID right here. So basically, it's 462068047, and you can basically copy this one. Just tap on the copy icon. So as you can see, it's very simple to find that Binance ID or pay ID. But before, you can find that here on the receive section, and you will find here at the bottom of the QR code. So now you will now find it at the bottom of this pay word, which is your Binance ID. So that's it. That's how you can find your pay ID or Binance ID on your Binance app. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.